Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and there's something about a fresh pair of sheets that just makes you want to snuggle up and hop right in. I love these sheets from CGK Unlimited. They are so soft, and this crisp white is just timeless and classic and goes with any bedroom. I love the simple design of these sheets. There's no frills. Even the embroidery along the pillowcase is just a nice classic line. These sheets are also very lightweight, so they are perfect if you are a hot sleeper like me. The pockets are nice and deep, so they're easy to fit on the bed, and it also has a convenient tag letting you know which side is the top or bottom, making it that much easier to get your sheets on the bed so you can slide right in. These sheets have definitely been promoting a cozy night's sleep for me, but that's just my point of view.